Hey, what's going on, Kick family? Welcome back. Now today we got the most amazing 5-ingredient recipe for cauliflower wings. So the first thing you want to do is get you some all-purpose flour, some blackened seasoning of your choice, some San Pellegrino, and for the sauce you want to grab some Thai sweet chili sauce and some white wine vinegar. Step number 1, go ahead and get that San Pellegrino and that blackened seasoning into that flour and go ahead and mix it up until you come out with a light pancake consistency batter. Next, we're going to get our cauliflower cut up, and we're going to cut these into the same size we would boneless wings. Make sure you have some good oil with a high smoke point like canola, and we're going to bring that up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to begin to fry our cauliflower wings. Make sure you fry your wings in batches, dropping only 3 to 4 wings per batch. This ensures that the oil temperature stays at a consistent temperature and your wings come out crispy, golden brown, and delicious. Look at that sauce. For the full recipe, make sure you check out the Bistro Cooking Show on YouTube. And for more weekly cooking tips, make sure you subscribe to the Kick page here on Facebook and also YouTube. Thank you for checking this video out. I'll catch you next week.